guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 27. And let's start reading. You actively went to watch my car race, willingly took the blame for me, and even skipped class tonight to watch me backs. If I understand correctly, you're approaching me willingly. Ano man ngayon ayaw mo yan? I don't know. Diba? Siyempre, alangan naman sabihin niya sa'yo, di ba? Perhaps it's because you're good looking, or maybe it's because you have a unique aura that attracts me and makes me curious. O, di ba? Galing umanswer ni ate. No matter why you're getting close to me, I must remind you. Ooh, what reminder? Remind you of what? Uy, pogi. Ganda ng ano niya nito, eyes niya. If you insist on entering my world and got too deeply involved, I won't let you leave. Palpitates. Ay, in love yarn. Di ka na daw makakawala sa world niya pag pinilit mong pumasok. What does he mean? Will he actually keep me from leaving? Oh, just like on the previous world. Diba namatay kayong magkatabi? Looks away, blushing. If you're afraid, keep your distance from me. I'll take you home. It must have been wishful thinking. My world is barren and difficult. Who would want to step into it? Her fear and hesitation are normal. Ayan yung thoughts ni Rongchi, di ba? Ang ganda naman ng world na to. Parang mas prefer ko na dito na lang siya magstay, ano? Back to the apartment. Where have you been? Walks in. Dumating na yung parents niya. Ay, si Yiting. Waiting. Pogi din si Koya. Faffable din. Obediently, I went to watch someone boxing. Ang drama talaga. Bagay. I told you this morning that I'd pick you up after school. Did you forget? Oo nga pala, no. Dapat susunduin siya. Papunta tsaka pauwi. You promised me you would study hard. What are you doing now? Sorry na po. Sorry na. Oh. Skipping classes to watch a male classmate boxing? Don't be so harsh. I won't do it again. I'll study hard. Sorry. Pero Foxy, sorry naman. You'll study hard? You're at the bottom in the last exam. Bottom. Earlier, Shushwang instigated a few girls to bully and harass the original host, causing the original host grades to plummet, landing at the very bottom of the class. But then, I arrived. So, don't worry. For sure, nasa top na siya next exam. Cute niya dito. Look at that. Look at that smile. So cunning. Don't be angry. I'll definitely rank in the top 10 next time. O, diba? Top 10. Ayan na naman tong panirang puri tong babaeng to. Yon, are you making empty promises again? Studying requires diligence and gradual progress. Right now, you're third from the bottom in the class. If you can improve to the 10th from the bottom, that would be great. Ikaw lang naman kasi may kasalanan kaya siya bumabagsak eh. Shuang, what rank did you get this time? 5th. A real 5th. Alright, next time I just need to rank one place ahead of you. One praise lang. If you lose, admit it in front of the whole class that you falsely claimed to save Yiting. How about that? Yan pa rin yung issue nyo? Abot pa rin kay Yiting? Sa bagay, that was a controversial news kasi. Deal. If you lose, you can never bring this up again. Meeting is here. He can be our witness. We'll see the results in a month. Kaya niya kaya yun? Kung sa bagay may system naman, kaya niyang gawin yun. Sure. Using this method to motivate you to study isn't a bad idea. Winning or losing isn't important. Making a little progress is a good thing. What's more important is... What? What's more important? Yan yung iniisip ni Ethan. Next time, if you skip classes to see your male classmate again, I'll go talk to the classmate and ask him to keep his distance from you. Seloso yarn. Ayaw niya ng iba. Ayaw niyang kaagaw. Naks. Nabukulan ka tuloy. I'll definitely get a good grade. Host, do you need any help? There are options in the store. No. Di ba magaling sa memorization to siya? Exchanging for that power pill has already cost me quite a bit. So I'll save it. I'll save if I can. Although the original host had a poor foundation and I can't remember all the knowledge, my memory is pretty good. I'll diligently review the content and put in the effort. It should work. So, memorize na lang niya yung content. I-review niya. 6 books down to 3, down to 1. And that's the last one. Now, the exam day. Oh, and kaya na, whole book yung memorize niya. 6 na libro. Tingnan natin di siya ma-perfect niyan. After the exam, it's her, the one who made a bet with Xu Shuang and bragged that she would outperform Xu Shuang in the in the exam this time. Ba't nila nalaman? She always targeting Shuang. She's disgusting. It was her who fabricated the video. Aren't she and Shuang sisters? How can she be so wicked? Wala, bakit parang nabaliktad yung storya? Ang galing talaga magdrama ng babaeng yun, no? Ba, ay ginagalit niyo Pauses. One is an angel and the other is a malicious woman. The difference is too stark. Let's wait and see what kind of joke she makes out of herself in this exam. Who are you calling a joke? Tapos ngayon, takot-takot kayo. You suck at school. Don't you know that yourself? May reason kasi bakit siya bumagsak nun. Shuang is diligent and constantly ranks in the top 5 of the class. Top 30 in the grade. What makes you think you can compare to her? By my abilities, I'll crush her with my abilities. So pretty naman this girl here. O, diba? Ganda niya. Naalala ko tuloy sa kanya si Bai Ying, yung sa White Tiger. We'll see on the scorecard. There will also be a surprise that will reveal what Xu Shuang truly is. That's a chismis. Stay tuned, and the day when the truth is unveiled isn't far off. Stay tuned, guys. So let's see what will happen on the next coming chapter. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone.